So gusto mo ba ng powder na hindi mukhang cakey pero oily skin ka? Hi beauty! So another day, another product. So may ara, dugay na siya nag-abot naman sa akin. So sabong na ako ka-video. So this is the C Makeup Acne Blur and Set Loose Powder. Yung product na to is perfect siya for oily skin, acne prone skin, everyday makeup, and fresh and matte look without heavy feeling. So magme-makeup ako today kasi meron kaming lakad and it's already 1 p.m. Sobrang init talaga ng ganitong oras. Perfect daw itong product na to for our humid weather here in Philippines. Before ko siya gamitin, isang trivia muna tayo for you beauties. So yung product na to is best for oily skin and acne prone skin. Okay siya for daily use, but if you have dry skin, so make sure na nakapag skin prep ka or use hydrating moisturizer because yung matte finish might emphasize dryness pag hindi ka nag-well prep ng skin. So na-hydrate ko na yung aking skin using yung Glad to Glow na Radiance Glow Serum Spray. So ito lang yung gamit ko today. So and also people describe this product as maganda yung kanyang oil control, lightweight, and so nakaka-blur siya ng pores. Good for tropical weather. So okay, let's find out if true ba talaga. So ayan, first is I love ang kanyang packaging kasi sobrang minimalist and super clean siya tignan. This is the product itself. And pag open mo, meron na siyang kasamang powder puff or sponge. And what I like about this product is meron na siyang yung lalagyanan ng powder puff. So hindi messy yung powder inside. Convenient and hygienic siyang gamitin. So ito yung kanyang lalagyanan ng sponge. And i-open lang natin and I really don't know how. So sabi niya is full. Ayun. Saan na Oh, di ba may arsa? So ammonia. So ito yung kanyang powder. So di ba meron ng takip. So, hindi kagaya ng ginagamit kong powder. This one, so wala siyang lalagyanan ng powder. So, look how messy if you're open. So, meron na talaga siyang product. So, ayan, tingnan natin if nakaka-blur siya ng ating pores. Kasi ako ay open pores and so, wala siyang amoy. And then, ito yung kanyang puff. So, parang tela siya. Uy, grabe. Ayan, kunan tayo ng mirror. So, ayan, ilalapit ko kayo. And nakikita nyo naman yung glow dyan. Tignan natin kung mamamat niya yung ating face. So, ako ay combination skin na minsan ay oily and minsan hindi. So, depende sa ginagamit kong products. So, ito siya. Ito yung may powder and dito yung wala. So, ayan. Nakikita nyo ba yung effect? Ito ay glowy sa kabila. And dito is sobrang matte. And parang nablur niya naman yung pores ko. And parang wala kang naramdaman na naglagay ka ng powder. So, this product is a loose powder. So, acne prone din siya. So, ayan. Ilagay na natin sa buong. Uy, nakadami naman. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng product niya kasi wala siyang amoy. O, diba? Napadami yung paglagay ko dito pero look, wala siyang effect. And pagkatapos mo na siyang gamitin, syempre, ayan, tatakip mo lang and then, ibabalik. So, diba, hindi siya messy tignan. So, kung may mga lakad ka, kahit ganyan-ganyan mo pa yung product, yung sponge is hindi siya dugyo tignan. Kasi tignan mo, may lalagyan. So, yung maganda sa product nito is meron na siyang salicylic acid and witch hazel green tea. So, nakakaganda siya sa ating balat. So we're done. So amo na niya akong makeup and I love it. I love it the matte finish of this powder. So if you want clean girl soft matte finish na makeup look, so this is worth trying. And that's all beauties. Thank you for watching. Bye.